Chemistry is amazing. It's about understanding the stuff that makes up everything around us. You, me, the stars, it's all chemistry. Think about the air you breathe, the food you eat, even the screen you're reading this on. It's all atoms and molecules interacting in fascinating ways. Chemistry is like a secret code that unlocks the mysteries of the universe. And the best part? Anyone can learn it. It's time to embark on a journey of discovery. Let's explore the wonders of chemistry together. Ready to dive in? Start with the basics. Learn about the periodic table. It's like a map of all the known elements in the universe. Each element has unique properties. Understanding these properties is key to understanding how they interact. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Curiosity is the fuel of scientific discovery. Imagine the smallest thing you can possibly think of. Now imagine something even smaller. That's an atom. Atoms are the tiny particles that make up everything in the universe. They're incredibly small, but they're incredibly important. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles determine how atoms behave. Atoms like to stick together. When atoms join together, they form molecules. A molecule is two or more atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. Think of it like this. Atoms are like Lego bricks, and molecules are the amazing structures you can build with them. Water, for example, is a molecule made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That's why we write it as H2O. Section 5. Reactions. The dance of molecules. Molecules are always on the move, colliding and interacting with each other. When molecules interact in a certain way, they can create new molecules. This is called a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are happening all around us all the time. They're what make life possible. Think about baking a cake. You mix ingredients together, heat them up, and voila! A delicious transformation occurs, all thanks to chemistry. Section 6. Tips from a fellow explorer. Learning chemistry takes time and effort, but it's an incredibly rewarding journey. Here are a few tips to help you along the way. Start with the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Break down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable pieces. Use visual aids. Diagrams, charts, and videos can be incredibly helpful. Practice, practice, practice. The more you work with chemistry concepts, the better you'll understand them. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Teachers, tutors, and online resources can provide valuable support. Section 7. Chemistry in everyday life. Chemistry isn't just something you learn in a textbook, it's all around you. Think about the food you eat. Cooking is a form of chemistry. Baking a cake is a chemical reaction. Think about the clothes you wear. The dyes used to color your clothes are made with chemistry. Think about the medicine you take when you're sick. Medicines are developed using chemistry. Chemistry is everywhere. Once you start to see it, you'll be amazed by how much it impacts our lives. Section 8. The never-ending journey of discovery. The world of chemistry is vast and always evolving. There's always something new to learn and discover. Even professional scientists are constantly making new discoveries and expanding our understanding of the universe. The more you learn about chemistry, the more you realize how much more there is to know. Embrace the unknown and never stop asking questions. That's what science is all about. Section 9. Embrace your inner scientist. You don't need a fancy lab coat or a complicated experiment to be a scientist. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to explore the world around you. So go out there, ask questions, and never stop learning. The universe is waiting to be discovered.